one of my videos that got me in the most trouble, perhaps, from many of my other videos. You would think it's something worse, but that one. It's a video titled Abandoning Orthodoxy. This video made waves when I put it out. I even had some of my former teachers call me up and ask me what on earth I was thinking by putting out such a video, in which I just threw out there what I believe to be factual. You don't have to agree, but for me, it's what I live in. It's the frame of reference in which I operate. And that is that I am not an Orthodox rabbi. I don't actually know what the word Orthodox means. I don't belong to an Orthodox community or an Orthodox movement. I'm not quite certain. Meaning, even if I were to Google the definition of Orthodox, the word Orthodox has today so many subcategories and so much chaos inside of that own community. I don't know anymore what makes someone Orthodox or does not make someone Orthodox. For that reason, the only working title that I have is that I am a Sephardi who believes in HaKadosh Baruch Hu, believes the Torah was given to Moshe Rabbeinu on Har Sinai, and I believe that the halachot of the Shulchan Aruch, of the Talmud, of the Rambam, are binding on all of Am Yisrael. Aside from that, I don't have any other working definition of what I am. If there are Jews that may be part of a different denomination, who also believe in HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and also believe that the Torah was given to Moshe Rabbeinu on Har Sinai, and they also believe in the Shulchan Aruch and the Code of Jewish Law, in that case, I don't care which denomination they belong or don't belong to, those are my brothers and sisters in faith. If there are going to be people who belong to the Orthodox community, who for whatever reason reject the Code of Jewish Law, or don't believe in HaKadosh Baruch Hu, or the Kadosh Baruch Hu they believe in is some pagan form of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. In that case, even though they may share the title Orthodox, I don't have anything to do with them aside from the fact that biologically we are part of the same nation.